What is going on, YouTube? Back with another live trading session for February 24th. Today is Tuesday. We are about 3 minutes away from market open. I already got a win last night on one of my other XFAs, so I'm only going to be trading this XFA today. So see what we can do today. My goal, honestly, is to, once I get in a winning position, to try to hold for full TP. So like a 1 to 2 or more. And yeah, we're gonna see what we can do though, man. So let's get to it. Oh, it don't got no wick on that counter. Wait, anyway. Trump speak at 9 today. You know how I be feeling about when Trump be speaking and shit during trading days, but like it say at 9, so I'm like, I'm probably gonna be a little hesitant at 9:30. I don't know. This might just go.
I didn't know Trump spoke at 9 today.
Yeah.
Yeah, we getting a move
I place a limit order
so
now.
far that I want to see from YM. Ooh.
The fake out,
Whoa.
maybe. Said, whoa, machismo. Back your ass up.
Candle is moving crazy.
Yeah. Here.
It holds working.
Lurking. Hey, man, I'm barking. I got a limit order set at 794 right under the zone. If it come back and break it again.
On NQ.
YM look like it's breaking.
Yeah, dude. I was trying to wait for this 1 minute candle to close.
That first target about to get hit on YM.
That first candle came in. First one came in. I'm gonna hold you.
Can't really looking for longs just yet. If we take longs, I'll wait before I take longs. It just took out that target, so it's gonna have a little bit of retracement probably.
Yeah, it just filled me right up under the target.
Order filled.
Got my TP set. Let's see if we fall here, brother.
I got the deep.
I could go break even here, so I'm gonna go break even. Stops to break even. Let's see if we go hit TP. You're right there. Go hit TP.
Order filled.
TP hit. Bang, 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 bang.
Yeah,
nice little trade.
Q was definitely a better pair to trade.
All right, man. That is going to be the trading session for today. Came in with a plan, executed, did everything I wanted to do. I said that I wanted to make sure I hold for full TP, which was able to do that. Normally, whenever I see that I'm up quite a bit of profit or whatever, I'll probably like start trailing. Today I was like, nah, I go up in profit. I'm just gonna move to break even and just let it go hit my TP. It actually kept running way past that, so just gonna do a quick trade breakdown real quick so you guys can see what I was seeing. So coming into the day, I had 2 levels marked out that I was looking at. For buy side, we had a resistance set here that I seen that price created structure, and then we kept rejecting from this area. We did it early over here around 7 a.m. as well. And then we also had structure being formed around the sell side level for this target that I had at what was that, 760, right? So when I'm actually looking at the market, what I'm seeing is we grab liquidity from these highs, right? So once I seen that we grabbed liquidity from these highs over here, so I'm gonna get some of this stuff off the screen real quick. So yeah, so we grabbed liquidity from these highs right here. We did that around 7 a.m. So once I seen that, and I'm like, all right, we starting to come back down, but we haven't taken out this low. I'm expecting price to come back and take out this low at some point now, because usually what I see from liquidity, or when we take liquidity, is we'll take a high and then next is going to be the swing low or swing higher in respect to whichever one was taken. So that's what I'm expecting to see be taken out, and we hadn't taken out this swing low yet. Price came down, we created structure here, so now I have a support level created, and then we came back again and we did not close above this level, which gave me more confirmation for sales. Also looking at the higher time frame perspective as well. So I'm seeing that we're not being able to get past this level, and we're starting to come back down now. We're getting under the 13 on the 5-minute and the other EMAs. So I just had a sell limit set right below this support level, or where I look at for a breakout level, where we have support created. So what ended up happening was during a 5-minute candle, we got a quick break. which I'm glad it didn't tap me into just yet, but I like to wait for price to break, retrace back inside the body of the candle, and then break again. So that's exactly what it did. And once it broke and retraced back inside the body of the candle, I went ahead and priced my limit order, and then I got tapped into the trade, and it ran to TP in like less than a minute. So quick TP made on this trade, made $677 on this account. I did trade my other XFA last night and I made 350. So in total, I'm up $1,000 on the day. So I don't have the trade recording for that video specifically because I wasn't recording last night during Asia session, but I did make 350 on that account. So probably in today's title for the video, I'm gonna say how I made $1,000, and then the live trade it'll show this though. But yeah, pretty easy day, pretty smooth. To be honest, man, it was pretty free. Like once I seen this 935 candle coming up as well, I did think we was gonna take out sell side, more sell side targets being previous day low and this target at 677 where we do have relatively equal lows right here. So I honestly thought we was gonna take that out once I seen how far down this candle came, but it pump faked. It didn't do that, and we started buying back up. But something that I would have seen and where I would have wanted to take longs is once I seen, because I've seen this pattern happen so many times on NQ where that 935 candle will come all the way back up or down in respect to whichever way the market is moving, and will engulf the 930 candle. Whenever that happens, that 940 candle is likely going to be a candle that's going to be continuation. So it's going to keep pushing in that direction. And I could have took entry on the break of the candle right here and would have made, and honestly could have just targeted this high or right at this zone, and I would have been 60 points. Or if I was looking at it from a 1 minute perspective and I would have seen how this 1 minute candle closed, being it closed past this 1 minute supply level that would have been marked out, right? So we had a 1 minute supply level here that I was also looking at, thinking that price likely would come up to tap and reject from the 13 and from the 1 minute. And then once the break of the candle happened, we would go finish out taking sell side, which that didn't happen. But once I was seeing it close above the 13 and we close inside another 1 minute level, and then we start breaking, or we start pushing to the upside some more after breaking the previous candle high, I probably would have been looking for longs from there. Or I could have just waited, like I said, for that 940 candle to come in. And then once we got a break at the 940, I would have waited for us to boomerang basically. So break and then retrace and then break again, which it did do that. And then would have took an entry. And either way, it would have been a win. So today was pretty free. You also could have waited for us to break these longs up here or break this resistance up here for longs if you wanted to wait. So once price would have broke this level here, you would have had a stop loss right below the level. Me, I use a 12-point stop, so it would have been right like towards the end of the level. It would have been, even if I was just targeting 50 points again, you would have hit the 50 points, but likely would have probably got stopped out somewhere up in here because I would start trailing at this point because this candle looks like it's starting to have a little bit of resistance being built in the candle. So likely we're gonna start seeing sellers step back in and start pushing price back down. So when I would have seen something like that, I would start trailing and I probably would have got stopped out somewhere in this level. But yeah, today was pretty free, man. But yeah, that's the trading session. So until next time, on a better living.